Hi children, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. In the previous class we have learned shapes chapter, no children? Have you completed the given homework? Very good. Children, whatever homeworks and worksheets you are getting, write in a notebook along with the date so that teachers can correct those books after school reopen. Am I clear, children? Before going to start new session, let us have a look on the homework. Name the given shapes. This is a cone. C-O-N-E, cone. This is a cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. This is a cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. This is a triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. This is a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. I hope all of you wrote correct answers. I am giving a smiley and 3 stars to those who wrote all correct spellings. Now let us start our new session, patterns. We see many patterns around us in our daily life, like curtains, bed sheets, doors, window grills, sarees, wall hangings, tails, toys, and mehndi designs and rangoli designs. What is a pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence of any object that repeats is known as pattern. When the objects, figures, shapes, letters, numbers, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We can see many patterns around us. We can create various forms of patterns by using objects, things, letters, shades and designs. For example, see this children. Here pink color hairband is there. Then yellow color. Then blue color. And again pink color. Again yellow color. Then blue color. Then again pink, yellow and blue. This is called as a pattern. See here, pink, yellow and blue. We call it as a group. And the same group, it repeats. Yes, it repeats itself. So we call it as a pattern. Here there is a sequence, children. Look at here. See, green and yellow and green color and green and yellow and green and yellow color. See here, this is a set of pattern. Here green and yellow and green. The same thing it repeats here. In the same way it is repeating, no? So we called it as a pattern of sequence. This is pattern of lines. See here children, 3 plain lines are given and here arrowed lines. Here 3 plain lines and here 3 arrow lines. Again 3 plain lines. 3 plain lines and 3 arrow lines become a group of pattern. The same pattern here repeated. So we called it as a pattern of lines. Can create various forms of patterns by using objects, things, letters, shades and designs. There are mainly two patterns. One is increasing or decreasing pattern and one is repeated pattern. Let us see what is increasing or decreasing pattern. Increasing or decreasing patterns. See here children, some examples are there. See the first one, there is one leaf, here two leaves, here three leaves. Did you observe anything here? See here, here 1, here 2 and 3. That means comparing to 1 and 2, it increases. It increases in number. Now, can you guess what is the next pattern we get? How many leaves we can get in the next pattern? Yes, it is 4. See the next example children. 5, 4, 3, 2. Here there is difference in decreasing in number. Can you guess what is the next number we get? Yes, it is 1. Let us see one more example. Here there are balloons. 1 balloon, 2 balloons and 3 balloons. Yeah. What is the next pattern? 4 balloons. Very good. Well done. Can you tell me what is the pattern we called it as? Yes. Increase in number. Increasing pattern. See the next pattern children. Here there is a flower. It has 5 petals. Here 4 petals. Here 3 petals. Can you guess what is the next flower is having? Yes, 2 petals. And this pattern we called it as decreasing pattern. Now let us learn repeated patterns. Repeated patterns. Here are some examples children. Pattern of objects, pattern of letters, pattern of numbers and pattern of things and pattern of shapes. See the first one. There is a kite, a ball, a kite, a ball and a kite. Can you guess what will be the next one? Yes, it is a ball. See the next one. Letter R, M, R, M, R. Yes, as it repeats, the next letter is M. Next one. 5, 8, 8, 5, 8, 8. What is the next one? Yes, it is 5. See here, there is a tree, a mango, a tree, a mango, a tree. What is the next thing? Yes, it is a mango. Coming to the next one, there is a triangle, a circle, one more circle, a triangle, circle and a circle. As it repeats, what is the next one? Yes, a triangle. Very good. Now all of you have understood now children what are patterns? Now it's homework time. Complete the given patterns. This is the homework, children. Now I hope all of you can do well. Think and complete the given pattern. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.